Hi everyone, summer is here and it's time to update our hairstyle, especially for the kids. Today I'm going to show you some amazing summer hairstyles for kids that are easy to do and will keep them looking stylish all season long. First, we have the classic ponytail. This hairstyle is perfect for keeping hair out of your child face while they playing in the sun. You can add some fun accessories like colorful scrunchies or cute hair clips to make it more playful. Create an easy summer style for kids using just 4 small ponytails. This style is perfect for keeping hair out of the face and looking cute all day long. First, brush out your child hair to remove any tangles. Then divide the hairs into 4 equal sections. You can use a comb to make sure the sections are even. Next, tie each section into a small ponytail using an elastic band. Make sure the ponytails are tight and secure. Now take the first ponytail and divide it into 2 sections. Twist these sections around each other and then tie them into a knot. Repeat this step with the remaining 3 ponytail. Finally, take the 2 knots on each side and tie them together in the middle. You can add a cute hair accessories like a bow and clip to finish off the look. And there you have it, a simple and stylish summer hairstyle for kids using just 4 small ponytails. This look is perfect for a day at the beach or playing outside with friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.